Hey, good morning. It's Jim from JagFX.com. It is Friday, the 31st of January 2025. This is a quick look at the daily charts I'm trading on the Forex pairs using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. Now, this might be a little bit confusing for some because there's a lot happening on my charts. But those that do follow me, you'll know exactly what I'm doing here. If not, go to the JagFX YouTube channel, have a look at some of the videos. Follow me on Facebook or Telegram, it's all free. And you can follow me, my daily updates. All right, got some new buy trades. There's actually 4 new trades today, but only 3 are actually valid trades. So this is the first one, the Euro USD. There's a new sell signal today. These nice big, this is the daily chart. This is the MACD Platinum. There's a new red QMP filter dot. That's these red and blue dots you see on the price chart. There is hidden bearish divergence here. MACD Platinum's a long way above the zero level. Lower highs on price and higher highs on the MACD Platinum, which is an oscillator. It's just a zero lag MACD. So we've got nice correlation, nice divergence there, hidden divergence. So we're taking a sell today. Now, for those that follow me in the multi-sequence hedging, I'm already in a buy here. S2 means sequence 2, sequence 3, sequence 4, sequence 5. If you're just trading the traditional way, just take a sell today, put your stop above this high somewhere near that red dot, and that'll be sweet. For me, because I'm hedging, I've also taken a sell hedge 2 for sequence 2, a second sell trade for sequence 3, a hedge for sequence 4, so that's a sell, and sequence 5 is the new standalone sell today. Gives me an overall break even, 102,766, which is this yellow dashed line down here. So it's not that far really to go. This yellow dashed line here is for the sequence 3 because it's in sell mode. So it was a sell, hedge buy, second sell. So that's the break even for that. I know it's a little bit confusing, but it's just the way I trade. Loss recovery, I'm on trade 4 now, so I'm trying to recover all this loss here. So far I've taken a loss on these trades of $574.27. Sounds like a lot, but it's the account, I think, is 125,000. This is my Darwin X account. So if you want to check that, Darwin X. So I've got a couple of targets. The reason I've got 2 targets, one is just to get out and recover my loss and be done with. The second one is if we get a big move and it breaks through the second target, that means I can do a partial close and then put a stop in place and try and get more out of it. So that's why then those 2 target levels are those yellow dotted lines down there, which are close to the overall break-even level. So that's the euro. If you're just a traditional trader, new sell, good sell signal on the euro today. Hidden bearish divergence. Right, next one is silver. Now, silver is not a valid signal, even though I took a buy today. The MACD Platinum's above the zero level, so it's not a valid signal. For me, it's trade management. Don't worry about this buy over here. It really annoys me because I stopped out by a couple of pips there on that date where that red dot is. So that's out. I just have to leave it on the chart for my tomorrow's video. I do a weekly video for my group, so that's stopped out for a small profit. Don't worry about that. It's a pity I wasn't still in that. It'd be great. In the meantime, I took this sell here, and obviously this is right on the $30 level, which is a big round number, that green dash line there, which is not ideal. This is silver, XAG USD. So I took the sell, took a loss on it. Well, I did take a loss because I hedged it. So now with this S2, it's a hedge buy on that initial sequence 1. And because I'm doing the multi-sequence hedging, I commence a new sequence, which is a buy, sequence 2. And this too started with hidden bearish divergence. So I'm not really confident if it getting up here. You never know. If it gets up to this yellow dash line here, that's my overall break-even level. So I can get out of both these trades here. in my loss recovery, because I do that also, the sequence, this first one, the sell, was a loss, $294.48. So this one, the buy, was for a bigger position size, 0.12. At that level there, my targets are these two dotted lines up here. Same deal. Not a valid buy signal. If you are just looking at this and not hedging, do not take that buy signal. Not according to my rules, especially when you've got hidden bearish divergence to start with. But remember, this is silver. With silver and Bitcoin, I tend to have more of a bullish bias anyway. So just be aware of that. A bit of trade management. The pound Aussie, I'm in a buy trade from the 27th of Jan. It's a nice buy trade here. You can see the hidden bullish divergence there. I love my hidden divergences. Took the buy, closed half already, and put my stop in place. And today I just dragged my stop up inside my entry level. It's just that red dotted line. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's at 198061. And my entry was at 97954. So I can't lose on that. This level here, this green line, is the 2.000. It's a big round number. Price is stalling a little bit at it. MACD was close to zero level, but we can't lose on this trade, so all good. Next signal is a valid sell signal, New Zealand USD, New Zealand dollar. Now, I'm still in this buy trade from back here. It's in a couple of sequences. Don't worry. Got to stop in place. Can't lose on that. So don't worry about that buy. That's irrelevant. If you take this sell, which today is a first sell, standalone sell, put your stop around the red dot somewhere up there. Again, hidden bearish divergence. MACD platinum a long way above the zero level. I love the hidden divergence, as I keep on going on about. But just watch the correlation. We're short the euro, we're short the New Zealand dollar, and I'm going to show you the long in a minute on the USD Singapore dollar. So there is some correlation there involving the USD, obviously. I'm already short the Aussie, and so, yeah, the only one that's still long is the pound USD. So just be careful of the correlation if it comes to risk, but this is a dead set, nice setup. Now, it's starting to consolidate a bit. It's been a long downtrend like a few of these pairs. So whether it's going to go down, I'm also in loss recovery mode here from over here. I had to wait for a valid because this loss recovery is done on the MACD Platinum. So this is a good setup for my second loss recovery, trying to recover $46.46, which is not much. There's my two targets down here, which are these yellow dotted lines. I actually missed a trade. I was about 10 pips too late getting in. I should have got in the same time I took this S1 sell. I missed it. This number, this green level here, I'm not sure what that is. Let's have a look. 58. It's in the middle of nowhere, isn't it? That should be 0.6. Let's put that. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's at 58. Put that out of the way. There we go. Big round number, that's all. All right, other trade. So we're going to sell on the New Zealand there. That's a good setup. The other trade is the USD Singapore dollar. I know it's a bit of an exotic, but I traded. Hidden bullish divergence again. MACD platinum a long way below the zero level, and higher lows on price, lower lows on the MACD platinum. Took the buy here, like I said about the correlation. I've been waiting on this trade set up for a while. Buys in here. You got a traditional trading stop in place. I don't use stops initially. So I've got a plan now. I'm hedging this top half. I've got a multi-sequence hedging, and from the Aussie Swiss down is traditional hedging. There's a difference. Check my videos if you're interested in them. So we're going to buy the USD Singapore dollar. So three new trades. This one, the USD Singapore dollar, it's a buy. New Zealand USD and Euro USD are both sells, and there was some trade management on silver, XAG USD, and also the pound Aussie. All right, boys and girls, enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you good folk later. Cheers.